Hello, thanks for coming back to see my next video. I really appreciate you being here. This video is on embellishing your compass rose. Particularly, I'm talking about embellishing the points of the compass rose. There are three main things that I think you can play with. The first is shape. As long as your compass rose points in the direction that they need to show, north, south, east or west, you can make the point of your compass rose any shape you like. Some of the compass roses I'm about to draw, some of the points of the compass rose I'm about to draw are wiggly, based on dragon's tails. One of them is based on a dagger and one of them on an arrowhead. So you'll see them as we draw further on. The second thing you can play with is the design inside the compass rose points. The one I'm doing right now is based on filigree and historical antique maps, where you'll find a lot of this depicted. As you can see, I've done a lot of quite random ones. I've done some based on plants, on natural world. I've done some based on antique maps, on historical maps. And I've done some that just have patterns in. The tip I'd give you for this is that you think about the feel you want your map to have. For example, the third point I've drawn looks a lot fiercer than the others. It looks sharper, more deadly. It's a bit reminiscent of a harpoon. So that's the kind of feel it will give your map. Maybe it might work more for like a crime map, historical crime, that sort of thing. Some of the other points are a lot gentler. Do you want it detailed or simple? And you can find more inspiration on my Pinterest board, which I've linked down below. More inspiration for compass roses. The third thing you can play with is colour. I think the colour ones on this sheet are probably the least successful, but I just wanted to show very quickly what could be done. There's some very cool things you can do with colour, but I'd suggest making one side darker than the other always, and it gives you this really cool 3D effect of the point, so it looks like the point's rising up to the middle. And you can find other colour palettes on Pinterest or on a website like Coolers, which I will link below, which gives you colour palettes. So I just wanted to show you this very quick video, just for a sheet of inspiration. Next time I'm going to be putting the compass rose together with what we learned in the previous video and what I've shown you in this one. You can download your own worksheet from my blog, which is linked below, and you can check out this inspiration sheet on my blog too. So I'm about to finish this up here. This was my arrowhead one. And I hope it's been useful to you. Comment below if there's anything I can clarify. And thank you for watching. It's lovely to have you here. Check back every other Wednesday for more videos. Bye.